finished a long workday, only to stare blankly into your fridge thinking, I just can't deal with cooking tonight? If so, you're not alone. For countless busy people, the cycle of ordering takeout or eating whatever's quickest is a familiar pattern. But what if you could spend just 1 hour on the weekend and set yourself up for a week of healthy, satisfying meals with almost zero effort? That's exactly what the LazyFit Meal Prep system is all about. Real solutions for real lives, designed for people who want to eat well without becoming amateur chefs. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps, strategies, and 5 ultra-quick, healthy recipes that require no fancy skills and no endless chopping. If you're ready to ditch the stress and finally make meal prep stick, let's jump right in. Let's begin by getting honest about why traditional meal prep fails so many of us. We see those Instagram posts, perfectly portioned containers lined up in rainbow order, a fridge bursting with color. But here's the truth. Most of those plans are designed for fitness enthusiasts who actually enjoy spending half a Sunday measuring, chopping, and cooking. For the rest of us, it's overwhelming. Too many ingredients, too many complicated steps, and way too much variety. You start strong, but by Wednesday, you're bored or burned out. Meals go uneaten, containers pile up, and you're back to square one. The real reason traditional meal prep doesn't work for most busy people isn't lack of motivation or discipline. It's that the system itself demands too much time, decision-making, and energy. If you're juggling work, family, school, or just want to reclaim your weekend, there's a better way, and it starts with doing less, not more. That's the heart of the LazyFit system. So, what is LazyFit Meal Prep? It's built on 3 simple principles. First, the 1-3-5 formula. 1 hour of prep, 3 versatile base ingredients, and 5 different meals. This structure shrinks your cooking time by up to 70% and slashes the stress of constant decision-making. Second, LazyFit uses component cooking. Instead of prepping entire meals, you make simple, interchangeable building blocks, proteins, grains, and veggies that combine into dozens of meal options. The third principle is the 2-touch rule. After your initial prep, no recipe should take more than 2 quick steps to finish. That means every meal is ready in less than 5 minutes. Sound too simple to work? Research backs it up. Studies from Cornell's Food Lab show that people perceive meals as fresh and new when just 20% of the ingredients change. That means you can eat a similar protein or grain base all week, and as long as the sides or sauces shift, it feels like variety, not repetition. By prepping just a few core components, you'll have the flexibility to create endless meal combinations without extra work. Let's put this into action with our first and most important recipe, the Master Protein. The Master Protein is the backbone of the LazyFit system. Today, we're making Mediterranean-inspired baked chicken thighs. You don't need fancy knife skills, and you won't be juggling 5 pans on the stove. Here's what you need: 2 pounds of boneless chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons each of salt, garlic powder, and dried oregano. To prep, simply juice the lemon and mix it with olive oil, salt, garlic powder, and oregano. Toss the chicken in the marinade, lay it out on a baking sheet, and bake at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. That's it. No browning, no flipping, no fuss. This batch of chicken is incredibly versatile. By changing up the accompaniments and seasonings, you can transform it into wraps, salads, bowls, or soups. And because it's flavorful and juicy, it's just as good cold as it is hot. The beauty here is that you're prepping once and eating different meals all week, without feeling like you're stuck in a rut. Next up is our foolproof grain base. If you've ever tried meal prepping grains, you know the struggle. By day 3, rice is mushy, quinoa is gummy, and you're forcing yourself to eat it. Not anymore. Here's the LazyFit way. 2 cups of quinoa, or brown rice, or farro, 4 cups of broth, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook the grains as you normally would, but here's the key. When they're done, spread them out on a baking sheet for 10 minutes to cool. This stops the steaming that makes grains clump and ruins texture over time. Once cooled, pack them in airtight glass containers. The result? Fluffy, flavorful grains that last the week. Quinoa is a powerhouse here. It's high in protein, cooks quickly, and pairs well with almost anything. 1 cup gives you 8 grams of complete protein, along with fiber and minerals. And since it holds up beautifully in the fridge, you won't dread your grain base by Thursday. If you prefer brown rice or farro, the same technique works. Just adjust cooking times. Vegetable prep is the next step, and it's where most people go wrong. If you roast everything together, some veggies turn soggy, while others dry out. The LazyFit system divides veggies into 3 categories: fully cooked, partially cooked, and raw. Dense vegetables like sweet potatoes, beets, and squash should be roasted until soft. Broccoli, cauliflower, and green beans are best blanched. Just dunk in boiling water for 2 minutes, then transfer to ice water. Bell peppers, carrots, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes are best left raw for crunch and freshness. For today's prep, grab 2 sheet pans. On the first, toss sweet potato chunks and bell peppers with olive oil, salt, and paprika. On the second, spread out broccoli florets and cherry tomatoes with olive oil, salt, and Italian herbs. Roast both pans at 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Roasting at high heat gives you caramelized edges and deep flavor, making even simple veggies taste restaurant quality. You don't need to prep every vegetable under the sun. Choose 3 or 4 types you love, and they'll mix and match beautifully with your proteins and grains. By keeping some veggies raw and others cooked, you maintain texture and variety, and nothing turns slimy or bland midweek. If you've made it this far, take a moment to hit that like button. Every thumbs up helps more busy people discover these stress-saving tips. And if you want more ways to make healthy living easy and practical, subscribe and turn on notifications. I promise, only real-world advice that actually works for your schedule. Now, let's turn our prepped components into 5 totally different meals you'll actually look forward to eating. Meal 1 is the Mediterranean bowl. Simply start with a base of quinoa, then add half a cup of your baked chicken, a scoop of roasted sweet potatoes, cherry tomatoes, and a handful of chopped cucumber. Finish with crumbled feta cheese and a dollop of store-bought tzatziki. The flavors are bright, fresh, and satisfying, and assembly takes less than 90 seconds. Meal 2 is the chicken wrap. Grab a whole grain tortilla, spread a spoonful of hummus, add chopped chicken, strips of raw bell pepper, and a handful of spinach. Roll it up, and you're done. This wrap is perfect for meals on the go, and you can swap the hummus for any sauce you like. Meal 3 is the loaded sweet potato. Take a roasted sweet potato half, top it with chicken, steamed broccoli, diced avocado, and a spoonful of salsa. Squeeze some lime juice over the top for brightness. It's satisfying, nutrient-dense, and ready in 2 minutes. Meal 4 is the power salad. Start with mixed greens, add chicken, a mix of roasted and raw veggies, a handful of nuts or seeds, and some dried cranberries. Drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette. This salad packs flavor, crunch, and energy into each bite, and you can switch up toppings as you go. Meal 5 is the grain soup. Combine quinoa and broth in a bowl. Add chicken, all your roasted veggies, and a handful of spinach. Squeeze in some lemon juice and sprinkle on fresh herbs. Heat it up, and you've got a cozy, nutrient-rich soup in 3 minutes flat. The real advantage of these combinations is flexibility. Don't love one ingredient? Swap it for something else. Use different sauces, dressings, or spices for endless variety. The LazyFit system isn't rigid. It's designed to fit your tastes and your schedule. But keeping food fresh all week takes a little strategy. Here's how to store everything for maximum freshness. Use glass containers for cooked foods because they're safe to microwave and won't absorb odors. Divided containers keep grains, proteins, and veggies separate, so nothing gets soggy. Silicone bags are perfect for storing small portions or snacks. Always store cooked proteins and veggies separately, then assemble meals just before eating. This keeps textures crisp and flavors fresh. Cooked chicken lasts 4 days in the fridge, grains up to 7 days, roasted veggies up to 5, and raw veggies 3 to 4 days. If you want to extend that even more, take advantage of your freezer. Freezer meal prep is the ultimate LazyFit hack. You can batch cook chicken, grains, or even fully assembled soups and freeze them in single portions. Use silicone muffin tins to freeze grains in perfect serving sizes, or store soups and stews flat in freezer bags to save space. My favorite trick is the dump bag. Combine raw protein, veggies, and sauce in a bag. Freeze flat, and when you're ready, just dump it into a slow cooker or Instant Pot. Dinner done, no chopping, no stress. The LazyFit system isn't just about saving time, it's about making healthy eating sustainable for real life. By prepping components, goals, not full meals, you get flexibility, variety, and the ability to adapt to whatever the week throws at you. No more guilt about wasted food, no more endless hours in the kitchen, and certainly no more takeout regret. So, are you ready to try component cooking for yourself? Just remember the 1-3-5 formula. 1 hour of prep, 3 base ingredients, 5 quick meals. Start small. Choose the proteins, grains, and veggies you enjoy most, and experiment with sauces or toppings. With just a few simple steps, you'll discover that healthy eating can be quick, delicious, and, dare I say, almost effortless. If you've found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world strategies for healthy living. Have your own meal prep hacks to share? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what's worked for you. Whether you're a meal prep newbie or a seasoned pro looking to simplify, the LazyFit system is here to make healthy eating fit your life, not the other way around. Thanks for joining me today, and here's to stress-free, delicious meals all week long.